So look, just imagine you're all sitting round the table, Christmas Day. Who knows what anyone's gonna come out with? We sat round the table upon Christmas Day. My brother said you should all know that I'm going for a drive. Can I borrow the truck? By the way, Mum and Dad, I think you're both funny. No, really, I love you to bits. Grandma yelled, Merry Christmas, and flopped out her tickets to a concert put on by Lou Rawls. Grandad stood up and said, look at my Christmas Day, Christmas Day. You never know what they are going to sing. We all went outside and were gazing at Venus. Someone remarked at the size of Uranus and Pluto and Saturn and Mars. But what's that foul smell? That's just Grandma's arsenic she keeps in a jar by the clock. She rubs some each night on your grandfather's corns, which are painful from shoes that don't fit. He feels relief when he sits down to Christmas Day, Christmas Day. You never know what they are going to suggest. Well, then we all went for a swim in the pool. Dad said to Grandpa, you silly old fuckwit, you're fucked. You fucked off with me togs. Ah, shit, now I've sworn and I've fucked up the song, which was never meant to be this blunt. Oh, fuck this, get fucked, you're a big pack of Christmas Day, Christmas Day. You never know what they are going to